Hey, hi all. This is Mahesh Lakde, and my today's topic name is CI/CD server in a 4 minute, and it is a part of CI/CD Simple Project Part 3. Prerequisite is we require AWS account and Git Bash install on Windows. For Linux, it is not required. Uh, so we will create an EC2 machine. Here, choosing Amazon Linux as a base machine, and keeper we are going to use Jenkins 1. Memory 20 GB, which is free tile covering. Now we launching the machine. Machine will be launched, and in meantime we will get the public IP. We will update our URLs. For login on that EC2, we can use Linux terminal or this Git Bash. Whenever machine will be up, we will get the login there. And after this, we are going to execute all these commands, which will create a Jenkins. Now, in meantime, we will allow the 80 port there. Okay, in security group, we need to go there, and from we need to select security group. After selecting security group, here in inbound traffic, we will add our 8080 port, which is required for Jenkins. systemctl 8080 and allowed from everywhere. Okay, it is for a dev demo. No, don't do for production. Now everything is almost ready there. We are going to check. Yeah, this showing like yum have some inbuilt activities going on. That's why this is taking some time because we run the at a time all commands. That's why. Okay. So yes, here we will access our Jenkins. We are waiting for Jenkins start. We are almost done within that 2 minutes, but it taking little bit time because we are using T2 micro. If other machines will be there higher version, then it will not take that much time. Okay, so now we are going to access it. Jenkins is started. Now we need to ready with this password. It taking few minutes, so we will sudo. We need to sudo there. So we need to copy this password. Here we need to put it and then continue. So no need to save. Admin, admin, email ID, admin, gmail. Everything is saved and our Jenkins machine is ready. We need to save and finish. Start Jenkins. So our CI/CD server is ready. Thanks for the day and please subscribe my channel.